What's the cost of winning at all cost? Hi, my name is Jeff Raker. Welcome to the question for today. Sometimes leaders want to win at all cost. Maybe it's pushing the envelope of rules. Maybe it's just simply not seeing people as people, and all it is about the goal and your fame and your way. Usually along with winning at all cost is my way or the highway. Now, there's a point where if you're the boss, if you're the leader, if you're the owner, you do get to choose and make decisions. But who falls off the train? Winning at all costs doesn't count people into the formula. And that's the great mistake that I see leaders make, whether it's in business or in sports. I probably see it in sports more than business, maybe. People create success. So people need to be the priority. This is hard to convince people about in leadership. Prioritize your people. It will actually help you win more because it's founded upon those relationships. And when people know that you care about them, when people know that you are for them, they will run through a brick wall for you. That's what you want. Where does your approach not work if you are a win at all cost person? You can't, I don't believe, be a good, wonderful, successful, ethical, and moral leader if, well, the ends justify the means. No, deal with people first. Along the way, you will find greater success. Where has this gotten in your way? Where has this not happened? And what needs to change to make people the priority? Don't pursue winning at all cost. It never ends well. Level up your leadership with this question for today.